Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll show you how to create an animated logo using Canva. So let's get started. Go to Chrome browser, select your profile. Okay, now in the URL box you have to type canva.com, or you can search on Google to open it. Open the website. Now after opening the website you have to log in with your registered account. For making an account you can use your Gmail account, as well as you can use an email. After logging on the canva.com, it's loading up. I don't know, it's taking some time. Now go to create a design option. Then you have to search your animated logo. As you can see here, select this. Now the best thing about Canva is it offers you thousands of templates for free, and you can choose according to your need. As you can see here, logo. Now I will select for my animated logo. I will type technology. As you can see here, I can choose hundreds of templates from here, so I will choose this one. I can also change the text by double click on it. I will type tech Atma. I can change the font by clicking on it here. I will choose my selective font and I can change that from here. Now I can change the text size. I can change the text color. For example, if I want this blue color, I will select the text and change the blue color. As you can see here, my text is changed. And now after making your animated logo, just go to share and click on download to download your animated logo. So guys, it's easy and you can make in minutes to any type of animated logo. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.